Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into this Monday recap and take a look at some of the price action that we have for the Monday. So you can see that we went ahead and marked the Sunday at 7 a.m. To the Monday morning to kind of see the price action we had. This is the last basically 24 hours. Really we're up into, obviously you can see Tuesday here for that recap, so you can see all this price action. Right here was the key levels, which we talked about. Right here you can kind of see key levels back here as this price action is kind of rounding. What we should see is exactly what we're kind of watching right now is some strength. But if you're looking for the, I'm going to leave the weekly levels on here, mainly because they're pretty strong and pretty important for bigger targets. And the reason I'm pointing that out is because you can see that it bounced in right here, and we could still be in a possible pullback. So you had this build, and then possibly this that we had just ran through on yesterday. And so I'm not real excited with the way things are setting up. We'll have to kind of see. We do need to show more strength if we're going to build this out here and run up based on yesterday's price action. You can see that we did start to build off of it and then ran up and found the top of here, and then now we're starting to break down right in this key area, which is the point of control for that weekly. So these are some key levels that we're watching based on the weekend's recap. And we can go ahead and start digging into this little movement on Monday and take a look at what happened for that price action and see what opportunities they have. And you can see here on Monday morning, as we opened up right here, we did test these key levels. This is what we need to see it to hold to start out with. And you can see throughout the day, right here was kind of the end of the day right here. It didn't really give us a good setup. You had that point of control right above it. And then we were watching these key levels for support. And the market really never gave us an entry here on the 15-minute, for me at least, because I have these key levels in on the chart for the bigger time frame, and I'm really watching for these areas to hold. So if you go even down to the 5-minute, the same thing. You have the 21, you're in between the 200 and the 21, that's 50-50. It could come up and hit the 200 and break down, or it could build up and run up. And you can see really when you came into the 200 and that point of control for the weekly, we did run up and kind of die out throughout the day, and then we pulled back and then ran up into the evening, which those are hard to trade if you're not paying attention. When I like to trade, I like to get in to a trade with execution, solid execution, run that up, take advantage of it, and get out of the market. So typically you're only in there for a few hours max, not carrying the chart through the night. And that's why I wouldn't have touched any of this price action here in the afternoon and into the evening here. The other thing is it did not give us a lot of strength through here as the startup. So yeah, yesterday was definitely a no-go trade, no opportunity, at least based on all our strategies and rules. But every trader creates their own strategy and rules, and that's something that you're going to want to figure out for yourself. And that way you can say, hey, I'm not going to trade today, and here's the reason why. And basically what I'm explaining right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw these lines out, and you can see how this came down and tested it yet again. This is building pretty solid strength here. And so we have some key areas that we're going to be watching yet again, even for today. If this starts to run up, right now I needed to get above this key area right through here, which was yesterday's run up, right around that 16,000 mark, to show that we're going to possibly run up and take out this higher area and break out of this weekly strength. That's also going to give us the strength here on that point of control. And this is the high, the volume area high on the weekly as well. So we're not surprising if we come up and test this area again. On the bigger time frame, that should be the breakout cue. But this could easily start to break down into this Tuesday. We'll have to watch that. Yesterday was definitely just a sit back and relax day. We kind of talked about it a little bit on the 15 and 5-minute and why we kind of stayed away. And we'll just have to watch going forward. The bigger time frames are something to watch for, and right now they're kind of setting up and starting to rotate, and we're holding key support. So if we hold that area, then we can start looking for some strong moves here coming up in the near future. So that's about it, guys. We'll see you in the next recap. Like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions. We can go over stuff and kind of explain what we need to. So we'll see you guys in the next recap. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.